Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Bitcoin from your Tangem wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're holding Bitcoin on your Tangem hardware wallet and want to move it to your Crypto.com account for easier management or trading, you're in the right place. This process is secure and simple, but always double-check your steps to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have your Tangem wallet set up and connected. Open the Tangem app on your smartphone or computer, and ensure your wallet is unlocked with your PIN or biometric authentication. This is your first line of defense in keeping your crypto safe. Next, navigate to your Bitcoin holdings within the app. You'll see a list of your assets. Select Bitcoin and choose the Withdraw or Send option. Before you proceed, head over to your Crypto.com app or website. Log in. Go to your wallet section and copy the deposit address for Bitcoin. It's crucial to double-check that this is indeed a Bitcoin address, as sending to the wrong type could mean losing your funds forever. Now, back in the Tangem app, paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Tangem will show you a transaction summary. Review it carefully, including the fees and final amount. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction using your wallet's secure method, like the physical button on your Tangem card. After confirmation, the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com account for the deposit confirmation. Remember, Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so always verify details before sending. A quick tip. In 2025, with evolving blockchain tech, check for any updated fees or faster networks like Lightning Network integrations on Tangem or Crypto.com to speed things up. And if you run into issues, reach out to customer support for both platforms. There you have it. Your Bitcoin is now on its way. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.